We're expecting snow tonight, and the fucking sky is absolutely gorgeous. Pink sky at night, sailors delight. Pink sky at morning, sailors take warning. Snow's supposed to start here in a couple hours, so I'm gonna keep you updated. Yes, there's the leftovers of my mushroom. We're gonna figure that out. God, that is fucking gorgeous. Even an hour later, it's already dark. Solar lights are popping on inside the globe, and we'll update you again. Right, we'll be back in an hour. 8:30 checkup. It just started snowing. You can see it collecting on the top of the gardening globe. Almost 10 o'clock. We finally have some snow sticking. Yay! Okay, well, it's midnight, and we've gotten about an inch of snow. I'll come back in the morning. Whoa. Frost is still intact. Oh, solid as a rock. Solid! Solid as a rock! Oh, it's a bit frozen. The top of it's starting to crack from the heat. And we're in. It's like a snow globe in here. My support pole, so that definitely helped through the night. It still feels like we're inside of an igloo, but we've got the sun coming in. It's been about 2 hours and it's already frosted back over and covered. I'm gonna restart my electric fireplace. Can't see my clock, but it's about 19 degrees out here. They say it feels like below 1. So inside the globe, it feels like there's no wind, there's no snow coming down on you, so it does feel warmer, especially with the heater. Look at the snow sparkling on the mushroom. Isn't it beautiful? It's like our little winter wonderland. All right, stay with me. We're gonna watch the sunset. Sun's getting ready to start setting. I've had the fireplace on for about a half hour, took a bath. Make sure the zipper is not frozen shut, which seems to be good. Yeah, it's nice and toasty in here. It's about 5:30 and the sun is starting to get really low in the sky. It's orange tonight, not so pink. The solar lights are coming on. Dandelion down. Which do you believe? I don't know. Pink sky at night, sailors delight. Orange sky at night, is there a saying for that? I don't know if it was true for this situation. Let me know what you think. Ooh, looks beautiful. Let's check it out from the other side. All right, guys. Ooh, bad decision to wear the Birks in the snow. Oh, this was right off of my kitchen, by the way. So my kids spy on me from that window. It's better than the ex-husband spying on me and my girlfriend, platonic girlfriend, through my bathroom window, which is where the whole divorce began. Like and follow for more. All right, it's 4:20 somewhere, guys. Go touch some grass or burn some. I love you.